5 features or updates of Instagram all over the world that you may or may not know. Part 2. Hi, I'm Ravina. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make videos based on digital marketing and help influencers, businesses and entrepreneurs level up their digital marketing skills based on crucial algorithms. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 more updates that Instagram has launched worldwide. And if you haven't seen the part 1 of this video, it will be linked below in the description or above in the cards. So keep watching this till the end. So update number 1 for this video is Instagram has launched shopping from Reels, making it easy to locate a product instantly when you see it in Reels and not go to that profile and look for the product that you liked in the previous reel. Is another e-commerce feature that has launched on Instagram. Update number 2 is that Instagram has now given an option for you to turn off your audio and visual while on live. This helps a lot if you want to relocate and still continue your live during moving to another room or something. Update number 3 is now Instagram also allows up to 4 people in a live room. So in these pandemic times, virtually hanging out with your friends makes it easy with Instagram, and you can hang out for up to 4 people in one live room. So update number 5 is personally my favorite because it allows people to address you the way you want to, and Instagram has rolled out the feature of pronouns in your name. So when someone opens your profile, besides your name, you can ask people to address you by the pronouns that you would like them to address you with. So this is a feature that is close to my heart, and especially I think that because of keeping these things in mind, Instagram has a long way to go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if this made sense and if you like the updates that Instagram has rolled out. If I have missed any of the updates and you know about it, let me know in the comment section as well. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the bell icon to get notified about the part 3 of the video. Part 1 is in the description or in the cards. So bye guys, see you next week.